Okay, guys, this is Peter, not your average guy, on a not so average episode of the Never Mind Your Own YouTube channel with Skydio 2, who invented a great feature, and that is the beacon. The beacon. How do you say that? The question is, what are we gonna do right now with this beacon? Okay, you know what? I'll drive out of here and then we're gonna test the other modes of the beacon. Alright? Connected. Getting ready. It says, I don't know if you can see it. It takes some time. It says ready to fly. Push the button. Starting Skydio 2. Again, you have to push it again, and then 3, 2, 1, it will fly. And there it goes. So, it's following me. I want it to follow me from behind because it's for this thing, it's easiest to do. the modes. I think if I push this middle button, move for follow. No. So I press it twice. No. I press it longer. No. So this is more or less distance when you press the plus and the minus buttons. So how am I going to get in the other mode? That's the question right now. Not using the phone. So if I press the middle button longer, look, this is what I mean. This is the steer option. You see that? It's just holding the middle button, and then you can steer it. You can let it go up. You see that? And like this and like this. It will follow. And that's how you can position it like this, and then it will follow you from there. So that's nice. If you use the arrows, it's gonna get a new position. I press it 2 times in a row, it will make a selfie. I press cancel because we don't want that. I say hover. Now I can select hovering. Now I can select another mode. This is steering. This is hovering. This is select fixed track. That means regardless my position, it will face north, south, northwest, whatever. I selected it now. Yeah, I want you to be a little bit closer. That's too much, I think. Further away. That's very close. We want to see some of the environment. Okay, like this. From this angle. And then what's gonna happen is I can turn like this. You see that? And the drone will stay in the same position. It will follow me. It will follow me. But if I turn like this, it films me from another side. It will film me from the left now. You see that? And that's interesting because it means it will film you from a different position all the time when you drive around. So I even think that gives more interesting shots than a fixed position. So let's drive around a little bit and see what it's doing. easier for this thing to follow me just from behind. And this, you have to understand, this is difficult terrain, you know. Let's do another option, just clicking and then clicking this bottom one. So now I'm selecting, hovering. I have hovering right now. So if I turn now, yeah, it will follow me, but very slowly actually. What if I select and then it's following me again. This is not actually not what I want. I want the hover mode. So I do this, and now it should follow me around, but it's not doing that well. You see that? It does turn, but not very well. So if we say follow beacon, no, then it's just following me. Alright. And the battery is out, so I have to land. And I want to know how I can do that with the beacon. I think I have to press this one, yeah, landing in 1, 2, 3. No, it's not a good position to land. In the sand, whatever. Alright, wow! Wow, guys. This was a difficult thing for the drone. I should not land in the sand. I think that's really bad for the motors. I have to put another camera there because my GoPro refuses to record anymore. I should not land the drone in the sand, but the problem is with the beacon, you don't have that much control over that thing, right? I can steer it to left, right, up, down, but I don't know if I can steer it backwards and forwards. I don't know, maybe it's possible, but I don't know how to do that yet. Because if you can do that, then you can just position it very precisely. And now it's more like I drive physically forth and back until I think, okay, this is a good position to land. Another thing is that with this feature, fixed tracking or something, that the drone is here and you can just freely turn around. That is nice, but it seems like that's more difficult for the drone to follow you. And the reason is because if you're driving all around and the drone follows you behind, that's the easiest way for the drone to follow you. But this following from a fixed angle, that means sometimes it's following you up front, sometimes it's following you from the side, sometimes from back, leading you up front. That is very difficult for the drone. So this feature, fixed track, logically is also more difficult. It's easier for the drone to lose you. And very important, and I cannot really tell right now, but the footage from the Skydio R1, the first one, the drone is flying and then whoa, it has to stop quickly because you're making a weird turn. And then sometimes the camera gave a couple of hiccups. I think I had enough situations here for the drone to get it into trouble like that. So I'm very curious what the footage will look like, and if it has these hiccups or if it has some fluid footage, not shocking footage, but completely fluid. I can only see that in behind the computer. So alright guys, if you like my adventures, give the video a thumbs up. And this is not the last video I made, because with weather like this and with a drone like this, that is very inviting to have more adventures. So most likely see you on the next video. I mean, you never know with the corona disaster like this. Maybe we have to stay home for 6 months. You never know. Anyway, bye. Alright, so I'm gonna quit this thing. Power off.